Congratulations with finishing the beginner C# course. That's obviously not all that you need to know. I tried to include everything that you need to know to be able to create basic programs. So that means that you should to learn some things on your own, and some of them you learn with practice. But the most important thing that I want to mention in this video is what to do next. So I'm going to explain it for beginners because if you are some kind of professional or something like that, then you probably already know what you want to do and you have your own reasons to learn this language. So if you are that type of person that you probably should pause this video right here. But who knows, maybe you'll find something new for yourself. Alright, back to beginners. It's really hard to know what you want to do in programming, and that's the reason why I should mention that there are three main ways in programming. They are web, software, and game development. Web development, that's everything with nets, like server programming or sites, etc. Software is development for your PC, like text editors or video editors. Game development is pretty obvious, so I hope that I don't have to explain what it is. You should try each of these ways. I'll make videos about what you need to know to begin in each of these ways. So check my channel a bit later. But what about C#? Well, C# is one of the best languages for beginners because it's easy and you may use it in all of programming ways. So if you are interested in game development, then start learning Unity. If you are interested in web or software, then try .NET. Maybe you should try to learn different programming languages, because if you are beginner, then your first programming language doesn't really matter, because it will serve you as some kind of intro to programming in general. So that's all about the Sharp tutorials, and I hope that it helped you a lot. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit subscribe button and notification bell. Don't forget about commenting down below either, and never stop learning. See you. Bye.